My second partner is my second partner. You see that? You see that? Second partner. You can see here. This is my second partner. Very nice. This is my special. This is my mga loved ones.
Yeah, very nice.
My house is my very beautiful house in this my country. Beautiful, yes. Because is hindi pa tapos. My house dreaming come true in my imagination.
Ay, mo na nun. Naka-live ka tao. Naka-live
Yeah.
lagi ka eh.
Turn my camera. But why? You can see my house.
Nag-live ko tao.
No, next side camera.
May I turn around? Turn around my camera. Okay. See?
Back side camera looking.
Yes, I'm a vlogger. I'm a vlogger this country and I very famous.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yesha! Munmun!
My rip. Walang laman.
Yesha!
Laman.
Come here!
Laman yung rip ko. Oh.
Hilapok! Na.
What? What you say?
You know,
No very.
no battery of room.
My room? You see my room?
Yeah.
My room is my piggy.
No clothes. Back side camera.
Yeah, my room. Yeah, okay. I turn my room. My room is so very dark. Very dark.
Very nice.
Uh,
No Jerry. No Jerry.
what you say?
No friend you. No partner you.
My partner is so Kalawakan. Universal.
No girlfriend you.
My girlfriend is so girlfriend is uwi ulit dito.
Very nice.
You're child. Your child. You.
You have child. You have child.
Anak?
You have child.
Ay,
Understand? Boyfriend.
you have a child. You have a children.
You sitting now.
You eat monkey banana?
Listening.
You eat banana?
Jeep number. Jerry's friend.
Siprel?
Jerry's friend.
Ah,
Jerry's friend.
children friend.
New relationship.
Ah. You like this woman in this my country? This my you kasagsaging me? What?
Ilan speaker na?
What?
Ilan speaker?
Keep your number. Relationship.
You mean my what you say?
Keep your number. Messenger number. Relationship.
Relationship? My
Keep your number. Messenger number.
Why?
Relationship.
No.
Why did I lie? Why?
Gawa sansan. Gawa. Gawa sansan. Gawa si mo. Gawa kay suko sa. No. No.
You want to give you this
No man man.
my girl in this country? You like this my woman?
Yeah. Keep your number.
I give you.
Okay. Keep number.
My friend. To all the girls I love before. I give you.
No.
No problem. Relationship.
You're a nice. You're Good, you're a good man, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Give you number.
Basta buutan lang ka.
You understand. Very friend.
Oh. I give you to all the girls. I love you for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Messenger number give.
Messenger number. Your
Yeah.
dapat you're good boy, ha?
Yeah.
Mm.
I
Para
new relationship. New relationship. Calling. Love.
love hug.
Yeah. Why?
Because she is my tingin the side mirror. Look. Oh, look exit oh. Eh. May dragonfly.
Ay, pakita mo
Give
yun.
number.
I-post na ako, Tam.
Your friend.
What number? Swertres Lotto?
Messenger number.
Messenger number? Oh, sure. After this, talking to you, talking me.
Grabe, gisingot yun si Iljun og English.
Naman.
Nanggawas yun yung
After this,
singot.
ha? After this calling, I give you a messenger.
Nanggawas yun yung singot, guys. Mga katsanak.
Only you.
No, my
Grabe, gisingot si Iljun og
yaya
English.
here.
Yung yaya rin ako.
My servant is my servant.
Look.
Look. No, my yaya is here. My yaya. My servant. My servant.
Give you messenger number.
Okay. After this calling, you eat banana?
Okay.
Eat banana?
Okay. Thank you.
Alam mo, nahirapan ako sa'yo. Okay.
Give you messenger number.
Okay.
Give you messenger number.
Okay. I give you later, ha? Man, I give you later.
Eric. No, you mobile.
No, I'm not mobile. I'm a man.
Okay. Are you waiting? Give
Okay.
messenger number.
Sige. Bye-bye. Hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Paalam.
Gusto mo linaw, ano?
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Huh! Animal ka, sansiya ka. Puy ko. Paningot ko. Animal tong guya to.
Sige, yung nagtawag Tam. Yung tubag-tubagon.
Siguro na, mag-istorya man. Gusto ba yung tao yung gilit? Ako na mag-istorya. Only you. No, my yaya.
Yaya raday ko, ha? Yaya raday ko.
Basta malingaw na. Ang guya eh. Buon. Sir panawag. Ngayon na itong kwarta, di mo hatag.
Ipawian to ng kwarta.
Ngayon ginawa ko yung
Juk-juk ka ni mo.
Kaya pagkita niya sa kiran niya, auto niya.
Driver po na.
Tigra puro na ito. Tigra puro na eh.
Sa Dubai do siya.
Karubay rin niya.
Kasagaran mo na mga driver.
Taga-India ko na siya.
Bang. Sa Dubai siya ang trabaho.
Sa Dubai.
Driver siya. Kasagaran mo na no? Driver.
Pero iya kung itong sakyan ha, yung auto.
Tuupog ka.
May house, may office.
Tuupog ka.
May office sa akin ba? Ako ang trabuhan.
Driver na. So mao to mga katsanak, gisingot si Iljun og English.
Animal.